Hey, hold on a second. Do you want your site to be 100% protected? If you're a site owner, then this video will be very helpful for you. We spent more than 10 years protecting over 1 million sites, and in this video, we'll share some important facts to help protect your site effectively. Now, we explored Malcare's 7 layers of protection in our previous videos, which are linked above. We started with the ozone layer, which is the best defense against most malware attacks. Then, we explored the Cortex layer, which is the best offense against any hackers that may sneak into your site. In this video, we'll show you the final layer of protection, the carbon layer. The carbon layer does that little bit extra to turn 99% protection into 100% protection for your site. You see, the carbon layer has 2 features, activity log and bulletproof backups. Watch the next 3 minutes to see the huge advantages these 2 features bring to your site security. Activity log. An activity log is a detailed audit trail of all the changes happening in your site. You can quickly track who made what changes and when. You see, sites can become vulnerable to hacks due to the actions of anyone who has access to the site, like a current or even former team member. That's why having good processes for managing your site users is a key step to improving security from an internal perspective. The activity log lets you track unauthorized access and remedy such vulnerabilities. Furthermore, when a site is hacked, hackers may make many changes on your site. The activity log can help you identify these changes and choose the right measures to remedy them. Now, let's discuss the advantages of Malcare's final layer of protection, bulletproof backups. As we've discussed before, Malcare's intelligent algorithm is constantly getting better by analyzing over 200,000 sites on its own network. One of the threats we noticed was a consistent rise of ransomware attacks. In such attack, hackers may encrypt or even delete content from your site. While we already provide high performance security, we also believe in keeping fail-safe measures. That's why we added the bulletproof backups layer. In case you ever lose any content from your site, this layer will come to your rescue and let you easily restore it. Why is it called bulletproof backups? Well, because these backups are impervious to any attacks. They are independently stored in a secure server away from your WordPress site. This puts them out of reach of any hackers that may infiltrate your site. These backups follow all the best practices such as automatic backups, unlimited storage, quick restores, and much more. This brings us to the end of this video. Now you know the benefits of the carbon layer. You also understand the peace of mind that an activity log and a backup layer can bring you. Most importantly, you've seen how the carbon layer complements the ozone layer and Cortex layer to create the most complete security for your website. Activating carbon layer. The free version of Malcare provides great protection that is sufficient for most websites. This means that you have a part of the ozone and Cortex layer activated for free. But for valuable business websites or websites that have been hacked, Malcare Basic is the best choice. By upgrading to Malcare Basic, bot protection and Malcare Cleaner also get added to your site. This gives you the full protection of the ozone layer and the Cortex layer. Now, if you want maximum protection with absolutely no scope of failure, then you should pick the Malcare Plus plan. This activates the ozone, Cortex, and carbon layer together. This addition of the carbon layer gives your site 100% protection, like we explored in this video today. Basically, the Malcare Plus plan activates the entire 7 layers of security for your website. These layers make Malcare the most high performance, reliable, and easy to use website security in the world. Is this a bold claim? Yes, it is. Am I 100% confident in saying it? You can bet on it. We know we've built something amazing here, and if you give it a chance, you'll also fall in love with it. But our journey is not over yet. We're always striving to improve our product and add even more features to your arsenal. Our goal? To help business sites like yours become the most high performance that they can be. Why? Well, we just love this. It's our passion. We're basically geeks who love building great tech. Thank you for tuning in. Welcome to the Malcare family of high performance businesses. Anytime you have any doubts, reach out to us. We are here for you 24/7. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for helpful content about high performance sites and join our community about high performance WordPress on Facebook. That's all for today. I'll see you soon. Take care.